What's up everyone, welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you that how to find your downloaded YouTube content. So at first go to your home screen and you need to find out your YouTube apps on your device. Here you can see my YouTube apps in here. So if you find your YouTube apps, then tap on it. After entering in the YouTube, you have to find out the library section. You can see the library section in the lower right corner. If you find it, then tap on it. After that, you need to find an option named downloads where all your downloaded content is stored. So click on downloads, then you will find out your downloaded content in one place. As you can see, I have a downloaded content in here. So that's it for today guys. In this way you will get the downloaded content of YouTube in one place. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.